Alright, we got a rainy day right now. It's supposed to thunderstorm for the next 2 hours. Especially, I think, the next hour the most. With rain. So, with a 100% chance of rain right now. Then it will improve. You know, the rain will stop and then it does come back. I think around 6, another thunderstorm. So I'm gonna keep the awning off. And if I'm still here at like 7 o'clock, when it's the thunderstorms are supposed to be out, they're calling for the thunderstorms to be over with. I'll put the awning out then if I'm gonna stay the night. The weather keeps changing, so. Yeah, when I left there was no 100% chance of rain. At any given time, I don't think. It didn't look like that to me, I don't know. Luckily I have a comfortable vehicle, but it's not like a van size or a truck size. I brought hamburgers to grill, and so I need to choose one of the times when it's not raining to get out my fire pits. Alright, I'm gonna put together my fire pit. Second time using it. Oops. So this is on the outside. It just fits into, has a couple slots that it goes into. This one has one more slot on each side to secure it more. I don't know why it's not on both sides. These go into the... There we go. See, they're both in there now. It's not a great fit in there, but they're in there. Okay. Now it's ready to go for tonight. Actually, there's a insert inside there. Get that. Woo! So I noticed I've only used it once, but I think that's rust. Rust on there. Right there. This piece slides in here. There you go. It's a nice little grill there. And also there's a grill that goes over, fits right over top of it. So I want to cook the hamburgers that way. All right, everybody, I'm cooking up, what I'm doing is heating up a egg McMuffin. Sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin that I brought to you this morning. I ate one, saved the other one. I wanted to make the hamburgers, but I'm going to wait and make those later tonight because it's about to storm. In about an hour, storms are expected. And I don't want to have all that going during that, you know, so I'm going to wait for the hamburgers later tonight after the storms. Did I press record? Yes, I did. Alright, let's keep going here. Wait, is this on? Yes. All right. So we're going. Just making sure. All right. Just gonna heat the Egg McMuffin on this. Cheese has made the bread stuck to the sausage. I'm just getting that apart. Okay. Yeah, I know I should have brought oil. I never bring oil. I need to put some oil. I need to stash some oil in my in the back of my vehicle. Everything's burning. Every time I cook on here, I just always forget to bring oil. Or a little butter, you know. But it'd be easy to keep some oil in the back. Use my spork to flip this. I stuck a little bit, not too much. Yeah, it means I'll be cooking the hamburgers in the dark with the bears. Runaway napkin. Alright, I will enjoy this and get back to you later. Alright, that sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin was really good. Now I'm going to have a beer to follow it. And there's where the card and my main camera went out. Alright, it's later in the day. It's going to get dark soon. Maybe in an hour, I think, is when the sundown is. But it's going to storm and probably into that. So it's just going to get darker from here, or stay this dark for a little bit, then get dark. Hi everybody, it's later at night and it's continuing to rain. It's going to rain, expected to rain about 2.5 hours to 2.5 to 3 hours, what I'm expecting. And it's pretty cold out. I only have the jeans. Normally when it's cold like this, I'd have some sweatpants on and then jeans on top of that. And I'd be plenty warm outside. But, yeah, not for very long. I'm close enough at home where it's not, it feels nice that I could actually just drive home, and because I'm going to get up and it's going to be cold again. High of 52, I think, tomorrow. Yeah. So I'd want to be in my car most of the time again. I don't know, it's just a lot of sitting down. I wish I had I had something to hang out in. Oops. And it's just, I don't know, even though it keeps stopping, but it comes back, and I don't want it to come back while I'm grilling the hamburgers. Alright, I'm going to grill the burgers on the skillet here. instead of on the grill because of the rain situation. Alright, I'll show you in a little bit. Alright, here's how I brought the burgers. It's wrapped in, gosh, I don't know. How's this gonna work? Oh, yeah. Alright. This needs to be thrown away. And I need hand lights. Light on me here. Alright, it is the morning that I leave. It's the next morning. I need to leave early. We got some rain coming. The sun's about to come up here soon, and rain along with it. You know, it's a full cloudy skies, so not really anything I can do in the morning here. I gotta go. I go get home. Turn you back around here. I have not been able to get out this year, and this, but I got some better ones coming up. I do know that. Into the summer here, in the fall. I am thinking of a channel name change. Changing my channel name. You know, Dispersed Camping Colorado. I like the name. I like having that. I like that name, but truth is, I want to do other things other than Dispersed Camp. You know, if that's what my channel is limited to, I can't really do this very often. You know, there are times where I can do it about every weekend, but that's not normal. And when I can, it's nice that I have these spots that are pretty close to my house. You know, I'm about 45 minutes away, 40 minutes away from my house. So I'm glad I can do these short trips like this, but I do want to do other things anyway, I guess, you know, just in the future. It's going to be more than just this, I think. And the name Dispersed Camping Colorado gets lost in the YouTube searches. Like, if you search for my channel name, you can't even find it. You can't even find the channel. Find other people's videos that are describing what they're doing on that video. Dispersed Camping Colorado, you know. Other than that, I do like it. I wish I could get out more often. I wish I had a bunch of stuff rattling around back there. I wish I could get out more often. If I had like a truck and a camper on top, that would be like, say, a tool camper. One of the lightweight, like 400 or 500 pound campers on the back of a pickup truck. That would be ideal for me, but that's a lot of money. Truck's like 2 or 3 times the cost of this 4Runner was when I bought it, I know. So anyway, that's just something I'm thinking about, but I don't know what to name it, you know, what's going to be the name. One thing I thought of is Winding Road Archives, or Winding Road, I forget what the other one was, but it was Winding Road. I don't know. Just because I drive through these winding roads, and life is a winding road. Anyway, that might be my future channel name, Winding Road something. Winding Road Archives. Winding Roads Archive. I don't know.